Welcome back to Learn German with Potato. This is the second part about questions in German. In the last lesson, you already learned that there are two types of questions. Ja, Nein Fragen, so questions that you can answer with yes or no, and W-Fragen. In this lesson, we will look at the second type of questions, W-Fragen. W-Fragen are questions that use a question word, like who, where, when, to ask for a specific information. So you cannot simply answer them with yes or no. And they are called W-Fragen because every question word in German starts with a W. The sentence order for W-Fragen is question word, verb, subject, and the rest. Let's look at some example sentences. Wie heißt du? Woher kommst du? Was machst du heute? So now let's look at the 10 most common question words one by one with example sentences. Was? Was machst du? Was ist das? Wer? Wer ist das? Wer wohnt dort? Wann? Wann hast du Geburtstag? Wann kommt der Bus? Wo? Wo wohnst du? Wo ist die Schule? Wohin? Wohin gehst du? Wohin fährt der Bus? Woher? Woher kommst du? Woher ist das Buch? Wie? Wie heißt du? Wie geht's dir? Wie viel? Wie viel kostet das? Wie viel Zeit hast du? Wie viel is used for nouns that you cannot count individually, but you can measure. For example, time, money, water. In English, you use how much. We also have how many. Wie viele, with an at the end. This one is used for countable nouns, like books or apples. Wie viele Brote isst du? Wie viele Bücher hast du? Warum? Warum lernst du Deutsch? Warum bist du müde? Welche, welche, welches. Depending on the gender of the noun, you either use welche, welche, or welches. For masculine nouns, so words with der, you use welcher. For female nouns, nouns with die, you use welche. And for neuter nouns, nouns with das, you use welches. Welche Farbe magst du? Welches Buch liest du? That was a lot of new information. Let's try to practice a little bit. Choose the correct word. Warum? Warum lernst du Deutsch? Wann? Wann isst du Frühstück? Wo? Wo wohnt er? Welche? Welche Jahreszeit magst du? Right or wrong? Was du machst heute? This sentence is wrong. Correct is was machst du heute? Right or wrong? Wo wohnt dein Bruder? This sentence is correct. Right or wrong? Wohin gehst du jetzt? This sentence is correct. Right or wrong? Was sie macht. This sentence is wrong. Correct is was macht sie. Right or wrong? Wann der Bus kommt. This sentence is wrong. Correct is wann kommt der Bus. Answer the questions. Woher kommst du? Welche Musik magst du? Wie viele Bücher hast du? Good job, everybody. That's it for today. See you again next time.